Come on, guys, let's dance, man. Come on, yeah, let's dance.
Up next, authentic Costa Rican recipes in the kitchen, but first soda. It's a today on.
Yeah, dance, buddy. Yeah, come on, guys, dance. Oh, yeah, hey. Hey guys, what's up? It's what should I say? Today's Wednesday, right? Awesome Wednesday. Yeah, I'm exporting a little video for Reverse Soda. I'm gonna so little message for you guys. You guys watch my vlog channel and Reverse Soda. You go subscribe, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, you'll know. Some people, for people in Reverse Soda, my voice acting channel, will know what's going on. What's going on with my life a little bit. So yeah, yeah. So I'm starving. I'm eating all day. Yeah, it's 1 and watching the logos. Yeah, whatever. So I might go out today. I might not. I don't know. But I'm gonna try to upload some of the vlogs today. Hopefully I can. Hopefully. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Or later on, whatever. I might go out. I might not. I don't know. Whatever. You'll know when I'm, the video. What am I talking about? And it's still down, still. Obviously, if you see the thing, yeah. What did I just say? I don't know. Alright guys, I'm about to get off the computer in about 20 minutes. I gotta finish replying some messages and stuff. I was gonna plan to upload my vlogs, but not gonna have time. I also want to I want to release the stage thing. Well, I'm not really done. I'm done, but I'm not really done. I just need to add some stuff. But yeah, I want to release it, but not gonna have time either. So, I'm gonna move all this stuff back to my room. I got errands to do, and blah blah blah. It's frustrating. Anyway, that's all what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna spin. Whoa. Yeah, Bert, spin. Yeah. Spin. And then you wanna dance? Dun. Later. Okay, so my bird is going crazy because I was playing the guitar. So yeah, listen to this. I don't know if they might go crazy now because I'm gonna put the camera. They're afraid of the camera. I don't know why. But why? I can know why. So yeah, here it goes.